The circular economy challenges us to look beyond the traditional take, make, waste approach of the linear economy as it exists today to overcome some of the challenges that Ray has talked about facing us as a society by looking at where the opportunities exist for us to recover those materials, to retain their value and repurpose and regenerate them into new products that can continue in perpetual cycles of use. Well, and I want to add to this thread here and say that the starting point for us is always going to be safe materials. We want to be looking at safe and circular. So we are looking at the material health of those components to make sure that when we're perpetuating those materials, not only are they good for the health of the people and our planet, but they also have the maximum options for use in the future because we know that they're not going to cause unintended harm or consequences. So that's a starting point for us. And what is really beautiful is seeing so many organizations that are rising to that occasion, seeing the opportunity that exists around this when they do take those steps to be able to continue to create value from their own products by reclaiming those products through cycles of use, and there are many different examples of that we see in products as services these days when we look at just challenging our concepts of how things are delivered, like lighting with Philips Lighting Signify, now moving into a model where they're being able to provide lighting as a service to organizations so that they take on the responsibility for those materials through their life cycle. They maintain those light bulbs, those fixtures, and maintain a cycle through which they can reuse those and repurpose them beyond their immediate use. But the client benefits from that, from lower upfront costs, and of course, having the continued use of light throughout for its purpose.